Greetings, and welcome to Bolt Idle Tycoon, where you learn to create a fun idle tycoon game using Bolt and Unity. I'm your instructor, Greg Moss. I've been a business application and a game developer for over 30 years. During those years, I've developed games in a variety of platforms and languages. Early on, it was Apple Basic and Pascal. I even once wrote a simple game in COBOL. On Udemy alone, I have successfully created game courses on Python, C#, and Playmaker. This brings me to Bolt and why I made this course. I really cannot say enough good things about Bolt. It's not only a cutting-edge visual scripting tool, it also provides a great path to learning the same method calls you will use when writing C# scripts. In this course, you too will learn why Bolt is such a great scripting tool as we almost effortlessly build a fun idle tycoon game, much like Adventure Capitalist. Like my other courses, we start at the very beginning and go step by step. You will learn how to create flow machines, create an idle timer, use events to communicate between your flow graphs, and use super units to better organize your game architecture. Before you know it, you will have learned important game design patterns that will give you the confidence to create practically any game you dream of, all without writing a single line of code. Finally, this course comes with a full money-back guarantee, so go ahead and get started right now, risk-free. Many thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in class.